Okay, children, in the last class we have finished the 3 questions. Now we'll continue the next one. So, fourth one, what is air transport? What is air transport? What do you mean by the air transport? Air transport and what are used for air transport? What are used for air transport? So answer is air transport is the fastest way. Is the fastest way to travel to different parts of the world. Helicopter and aeroplanes, or helicopter and aeroplanes are used for air transport. Okay. Okay, children, air transport is the fastest place to travel the different parts of the world, and helicopter and airplanes are used for the transport. Next one is write any 3 advantages of transportation. Fifth one I'll write is a big question. Fifth one, write 3 advantages. 3 advantages of transportation. So what are the 3 advantages? So I can write the answer here. It plays a huge role Okay. First point, right here. It plays a huge role in by carrying raw materials to the different parts of a country. And second point is it helps in promoting foreign trade. It helps in promoting foreign trade. And third one, promotes tourism. It helps people from different countries to other countries for tourism. So these are the 5 question answers in this, and some of the questions they are given in the book. So I will write that one also. Okay, children. That is in page number. They are given some of the questions. Page number 119. They are given the try this. Page number 119. Activity they are given some of the questions. Which is the only state? Which is the only state in India that has more than 2 ports? So which is the only state in India that has more than 2 ports? That is Tamil Nadu. Answer is Tamil Nadu. And second one, name the ports in Tamil Nadu. What are the ports? Name the Thuraimugam. Solron illaya? Name the ports in Tamil Nadu. What are the ports? That is Ennur, Tuticorin and Chennai. Ennur, Tuticorin and Chennai. And third one, name the government agency that handles marine transport. Name the government agency that handles marine transport related infrastructure. In the country. So that is Shipping Corporation of India. Shipping Corporation of India. So these are the 3 questions in the book. So this also you must learn, children. Okay. So another one in page number 120. Try to answer they are given. Try to answer these questions. Which is used to travel short distances? Which is used to travel short distances? In airways. That is helicopter. Second one. How many international airports are there? There in Tamil Nadu. How many international airports are there in Tamil Nadu? There are 4 international airports. In Tamil Nadu. So these are some of the questions from inside the book. Okay. So you can learn this also, children. Along with these 5 question answers, you have to learn here in the state question answers, which is the only state in India that has more than 2 ports. That is Tamil Nadu. Name the ports in Tamil Nadu: Ennur, Tuticorin, and Chennai. Name the government agency that handles marine transport related infrastructure in the country. That is Shipping Corporation of India. And which is used to travel short distance in airways? Helicopter. Okay. Then how many international airports are there in Tamil Nadu? There are 4 international airports in Tamil Nadu. So these are some of the questions in this lesson. So this lesson is over for you for the second term. So choose the correct answer, answer the following, and match everything we are given. The question answer also I gave. So learn this, children, and thorough the things, everything. I'll just go through the choose the correct answer. Which of the following is an example of the land transport? Car, ship, helicopter, and aeroplane they are given. So the option is the car. Then the next one is the first railway line was laid in 2019, 1853, 1947 and 1950. So the first railway line was laid in 1853. One of the major cities that connects Golden Quadrilateral Highway is Chennai, Kanyakumari, Madurai and Trichy. The answer is Chennai. Dash is the oldest mode of transport: boat, cycle, walking, bullock cart. So bullock cart is the oldest mode of transport. There are dash modes of transport: 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 4 modes of transport. And match the following. International airports in Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Tiruchirappalli. Important public transport: bus. Train from Kanyakumari to Jammu, Himsagar Express. Major seaports of Tamil Nadu: Chennai. Chennai Metro Rail started in the year 2015. So I have given the numbers while writing, and I am read the straight answer. Now the next one is true or false. Transport is not needed for people. That is false. Ports remain main centers of trade. True. Roadways do not connect different parts of our country. False. The Chennai Mofussil bus terminus is the smallest bus terminus in Asia. False. Tamil Nadu has 5 major ports. And answer the following. Define transport. So what do you mean by the transport? Transport is the movement of people from one place to movement of people, animals and things from one place to another. List the different modes of transport. The different modes of transport are roadways, railways, airways and waterways. Describe the railway and name any 2 major rail links from Tamil Nadu. Railways is the most important form of the transport system connecting various states. And 2 major links கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Write any 2 major links from Tamil Nadu. You can write Tamil Nadu Express Chennai to New Delhi and Chennai Express Chennai to Mumbai. This you are having it in your book. So for now I have written only 2. What is air transport and what are used for air transport? Air transport is the fastest way to travel to different parts of the world. Helicopter and what are used for air transport? Helicopters and aeroplanes are used for the air transport. Next one is write any 3 advantages of transportation. That is, first point is it plays a huge role by carrying the raw materials to different parts of the country. And second point, it helps in promoting foreign trade. And third point, it helps people from different countries to visit other countries for tourism. So these are the 5 questions. And remaining activity question is page number 119, 2 questions are there. And then page number 122 questions are there. So that also I have written. So learn all these question answers and go through this and read whatever we have written in the classwork. Write all this in the classwork and learn. So these are the 2 lessons in this. This is the last lesson for the second term children. So go through this and read all this without any mistakes and learn the words and D words and spelling. While learning, learn the spellings also. Okay. Thank you, children.